Hello! Today we are here to show you how to prepare the Kent Boringa cream of soups. They come in different variants. There is the chicken soup, there is the chicken noodle soup, there is the vegetable soup, then there is the mushroom soup. So these are very simple to prepare. So I will show you a step-by-step guide to simply prepare your cream of soups. So let's get started.
All you need is 1 packet of soup mix, 1 liter of cold water, that's about 5 glasses, a cooking pot, and a spoon for stirring. First, I'll empty the Kent Boringa cream of chicken soup mix into the pot, then add 1 liter of cold water, which is about 5 glasses. You can also pour the soup mix into 1 liter of water first. It works either way. Next, I'll stir thoroughly to make sure the soup powder dissolves evenly. This step is very important to avoid lumps before we start heating. Now I'll place the pot on the stove and turn on medium heat. As it warms up, I'll keep stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. You'll notice the mixture getting slightly thicker. This is the starch activating and the flavors blending into the broth. Once the soup starts to boil, I'll reduce the heat to low heat. We'll let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to keep the texture smooth. After 10 minutes, I'll turn off the heat. Now I'll ladle the hot soup into bowls. At this point, you can garnish with fresh parsley, a dash of black pepper, Kent stock cubes, or even a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. This delicious soup can be enjoyed on its own, but it pairs wonderfully with bread, chapati, rice, potatoes, or even pastries. It's quick, easy, and perfect for any time of the day. And that's it.